Hello traders, Gary Wagner here. It is 11:30 in Honolulu, 5:30 in New York on Thursday, 2nd day of May, 2024, and this is the evening report for gold and silver. No matter how you calculate the daily change, either using settlement price or adding Globex and starting the day in Australia, gold did not perform well, losing ground. This chart is a daily candlestick chart of gold showing the net change of gold being down $16.80. The close is at $2,313.40. Obviously, we did not get confirmation on the piercing line that we identified yesterday. That chart was marking gold out at the settlement price of New York combined with Globex. If you use simply the settlement price in New York, the chart looks like this with a much smaller move. I prefer to use Australia as the opening of the following day. On this chart, you can see that gold only gained $8.10 yesterday, and it shows today gold declined by $1.40. Globex is on a break and trading will resume in approximately 20 minutes when Australia resumes for Friday trading. Looking at July silver futures on a settlement price based on both New York and Globex, silver closed unchanged at $26.93. And even though we had dollar weakness of 0.24%, taking the dollar index to 105.453, gold was unable to gain any kind of substantial ground, and silver closed unchanged. As I said, I believe using settlement prices from Globex prior to the break and open in Australia. We did not get follow-through today on the piercing line we identified yesterday. With tomorrow's jobs report coming out, that report could shape the perspective of the Federal Reserve and therefore shape what market participants are looking at in terms of market sentiment in gold. That being said, we actually got a lower low today by about $2 and a lower high. We had the market close below its opening price, and therefore we did not issue a buy signal in gold today. It is currently 6 o'clock in New York, and Australia has opened for the day, up about 50 cents to a dollar from what they're marking as the close in Globex at $2,313. We will watch closely to see if we can gain any upside traction in gold as it trades overseas in Australia, Hong Kong, London, and then New York's open, due to the fact that we saw no follow-through upside move in gold after having sizable gains yesterday in both New York and Globex. We have to remain flat and wait for more data to come in. As I said, tomorrow's jobs report will be the next data set used to move the market either way. We also need to factor in recent price action of the dollar. The dollar index lost considerable ground yesterday and aided in the upside move. Today it lost more ground, but gold was not able to overcome. But gold was unable to use the tailwinds of the dollar to provide more upside moves, which tells us that market participants were selling gold today rather than buying gold today. Lastly, silver might in fact have found a base after trading to a low below the 50% retracement at $26.30, with tails coming close but not below the 50-day simple moving average that comes in just below the 50% retracement. Currently, we have silver at $26.93. However, I would like to see a move above the 38% retracement, call that 27.27, before feeling bullish and considering a buy signal in silver. This has been Gary Wagner wishing you, as always, good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for the weekly wrap-up and review. Have a great day. Bye-bye.